Continuous wave Doppler can be applied to a 2D image by clicking on the CWD button in the ultrasound control console, which is situated below the ultrasound image on the screen. When activated, the CWD button turns green and a cursor line appears on the 2D image. This can be positioned by left mouse clicking in the ultrasound image, moving the mouse to move the cursor line, and then left mouse clicking to fix its position. The baseline can be moved using the baseline up and down buttons, and the scale of the Doppler display can be altered using the scale up and down buttons. Measurements can be made on the ultrasound image by freezing the trace and selecting the measurement function required. Clicking velocity will allow a left mouse click on the spectral display to measure the velocity. Up to 5 measurements can be made. Velocity time integral can be measured by positioning the cursor at the start of the waveform, left mouse clicking, and then tracing the flow envelope by moving the mouse. At the end of the trace, a second left mouse click will bring up the velocity time integral value. Pressure half time can be measured by selecting the PHT button and positioning the cursor with a left mouse click at each end of the deceleration slope to be assessed. Alternatively, CWD can be applied after the cursor has been positioned. Clicking on the cursor button will bring up the cursor line on the full-size 2D ultrasound image. A left mouse click on the ultrasound image will allow mouse movement to reposition the cursor line. A second mouse click will fix the cursor position. Clicking on the CWD button will then display the flow velocities.